rainbow cookies next. So, and I'm also here with Chase. Honey. Let's open it and see what's inside. We have some cookie mix, and we also have some like Skittles. So now we're going to be opening this. We're adding all the ingredients in the bowl, and I'll put on the screen what they are. Alright, let's open. Okay. Yeah. Looks like snow. Looks like snow. We're gonna add an egg. White eggs don't like chokes, because it makes them crack up. Okay, add the egg in. Now we're gonna add the hot butter. It looks like yellow snow. Now, well, it's time to mix it. Yeah. Mix. Keep it in the bowl. Keep in the bowl. I got egg. Now, I never cooked in my life, by the way. I only helped with my mother. That's it. I never did it by myself. Mix. Okay, Tracy, now we're adding a smiley. Wait, does it go in the under? Sorry. What's wrong? I need to make a bigger cup. Wow. Oh my god. Okay, now I'm gonna add the smileys in. There we go. Mix. Okay, maybe I'll do it. Can I do too? Okay. Does it really do good? It looks gross. We're mixing it with our hands about to roll it in the balls. We should probably wash our hands. Like this minute. And now we're rolling them into the bowl. I was a big cookie. Now we're going to keep doing that till they're all finished. I'm just gonna lick it. Cute. We finished rolling up the cookie mix, and now they're going to the oven to 14 to 18 minutes. They cooled down for about 5 or 10 minutes. And now we're gonna do the taste test. Are you ready to do? Okay. 3, 2, 1. They're good. Get ground! This is the best cookie. So let's rate it out of 10. I'll rate it out a 9, but they're just a little bit hot. What would you rate it out of 10? You can pick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5. So we hope you enjoyed our video, and we'll see you all next time on another Crazy Nabez Books. Goodbye. Bye. Okay.